The purpose of this video is to make fun of people who scam people.
Hey, you guys, man, look here, check this out, man. I want to put y'all on this credit company, credit repair company. Man, look here, let me tell you something about these people, man. If you need your credit fixed, even if you got good credit, they can get you some money. You feel me? You know you need some money, you know? All you gotta do is hit them up. Hey, they can restore your credit, man. I'm telling you, man. They can do some amazing things with your credit. Go on, get your damn credit right, man. Stop playing around and shit. Them old ass cars and shit can't go but 30 miles outside of your damn hometown. Everybody should be flexing. You want to flex?
Oh, it's on. Okay, look. Now, y'all know I don't usually do this because I don't like messing around. So-called friends called me and asked could they borrow $200. I ain't gonna say no names. Now, look, I don't like giving out money. But she said her power bill about to get cut off. And I can't have my girl out here going out like that. What did you say? How you loan somebody $200?
No excuse for being broke or struggling ever again. Hit me at my email, leave your full name and your phone number. You ain't got no excuse for being broke or struggling ever again. Hit me at my email, leave your full name and your phone number. You know this is Rough Voice Diary. Credit Restoration Microwave. Credit Restoration Microwave.
Hey y'all, what's good? I could not believe this is true. This is 100% legit, authentic. It happened to me. I invested $150 and as a result, I was deposited $25,000 into my Cash App account. 100% legit.
After you get that, you ain't got no excuse for being broke or struggling ever again. Hit me at my email, microwave. $1,000 to do Credit Restoration Microwave. After you get that, you ain't got no excuse for being broke or struggling. Microwave. Credit Restoration Microwave.
Your family and taking care of your children. Come on, I'm not the only one on here that's heard many people say the dollar's going to collapse. Oh, this whole economic system's going to fall. You know how many years they've been saying that? You've been depriving yourself of a great time and opportunities to prepare for the so-called end. But I'm going to tell you, the end may not happen during your lifetime. Like it happens for so many
being broke or struggling ever again. Hit me at my email, leave your full name and your phone number.